it's Bonnie. Happy Sunday. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've got an exciting review for you today. So Avon has got two new perfumes that I am just absolutely wild about. They're online. They're called Ginza Stefany. I thought it was Stefani. I was going European. I think it's Stephanie though. So anyway, there's like a story behind both of them. So I'm going to do the In My Arms first, and then there's Wish You Were Here. So there's two of them. So this one, the first one I'm going to do, it says, during the 19th century, British explorers Steve and artist Stephanie from Ginza, Japan exchanged scented love letters. So basically, that's kind of the story on each of these. In My Arms recreates the beautiful moment that Steve and Stephanie shared a first kiss. So the scent notes in this one are, let me get on the page really quick here. Both of these are online. Currently you can buy them. On sale for $34, regularly $40. So the scent notes in this one, it's a fresh and sweet scent. They are sunlit gardenia tree, black currant, and delicious peach. I talked about this one the other day. And this one, let me spray this one on here. I love this one. This one is definitely fresh and fruity. I mean, I get the peach. If you like a delicate peach, it's super light and sweet. It would be perfect for spring. Oh my goodness. I really like this one. It's beautiful. But it's definitely got that sweet, fresh, fruity scent. It smells a little sparkly, a little bit like champagne going on there. And like I said, the dry down is definitely sweet and fruity. So this one is beautiful. So if you like, you know, the fruity sweet scents, I would go with the In My Arms. Oh, there goes Coco, you guys. The second one says, Wish You Were Here, transport you back to a quiet time, dewy meadow at dawn, fragrant notes. And this one is, let me get the scent notes up on this one. I love both of these, actually. These are two of my favorites that Avon just brought out. This one is sweet hawthorn berry, ripe pear, and sensuous patchouli. And it says it is a fresh and clean scent. You know how much I love patchouli. I am a huge, huge fan of anything patchouli. This one is unique to me, though. This one smells, it says fresh and clean. I would actually call this a little bit more exotic. I get the patchouli. I get a little bit of that ripe pear on the dry down. And a little bit of the sweet hawthorn berry. Like I said, it says fresh and clean. I would call this more of an exotic scent. These are both Korean beauty. They are made in Korea. And they're both awesome. So like I said, if you like fruit, sweet, fresh fruit, I would go with the In My Arms. And then if you like a more exotic, with like patchouli, a little fresh, clean scent going on there, I'd call it more exotic though. I would go with the Wish You Were Here. Both of these would be perfect for Valentine's Day gifts. The bottles are absolutely gorgeous. Oops, got it backwards. I'm super impressed with both of them, though. They do have a really nice lasting power. I kind of wore these all day yesterday. Both of them last a while. I've gotten many compliments from my household. I'm not really going out much, but my mom and my husband were like, "Oh, what are you wearing? That smells really good." So, people are noticing around me in my home that I smell good. But I really do. I love them both. I can't decide which one I like better. I think I like the fruit one a little bit better, the In My Arms with that delicate peach. I don't know, but there's something about the patchouli I love too. So anyway, they're equally awesome. So anyway, new perfume from Avon. I'm so excited. These are a great new addition to the line. They are currently online. I will put the links below to my Avon e-store. Shipping is free on 60 plus. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I got more reviews coming up soon for Valentine's Day. Thank you. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.